Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company sent me these LED interior lights for car or home. It's pretty lightweight, simple kit, real basic. Comes with these double-sided tape strips here, which makes installing them very simple. Also comes with some of these little metal clips with a little screw, and you basically just screw that and then these just snap or mount in. Mounting them wherever you end up putting them seems like it'll be very simple. And same with wiring. There's just a 2-wire here. There's 120 individual LEDs inside here. I don't know if those will show through this little cover, but then you just have a red and a white wire, and they are switched just on and off. Real basic, real simple. Here's just a 9-volt battery, just so I can show you that they work. Let me just, there we go. Not the brightest with the 9-volt battery, but you can verify that that they do work. And you could always bypass the switch by leaving it on and then wire this to an external switch, or however you want to do that. Unlimited ways to use these or mount these, but pretty cool. You could use these under a cabinet in the shop, the kitchen, whatever you want, but they are 12 volt. So if you're going to do an inside install on a 120 volt AC system, you will need some sort of an adapter. I've got a couple of these old adapters. You can always just cut the end off of these. Just find one that's 12 volts. This one's actually 8.4 volts. So that wouldn't work, but something like this, I mean, you know, a lot of us have got these old power supplies and adapter cords. You can probably find one that would work. In my case, I'll probably just wire these in the shell in the back of my truck. I do have one light right now, and it's okay, but it would be nice to have a few more around the interior of the truck just to really light that up. Not sure exactly how or where I want to put them just yet, but I still wanted to make a quick review video so you guys can see what these look like. Pretty simple little light. On-off switch, real simple, nice positive click. Now, if you do want to use an external switch, you can always just leave these clicked on and then just switch either the power or the ground. That would be real easy to do. I would also recommend you do an inline fuse, like anything. If you're pulling from the battery, just make sure you do run it through a fuse. I don't really see a need for a relay on this, but a fuse inline would be nice just as a safety. That's pretty much it. You know what? Let's go hook it up to a car battery real quick, and I'll show you the difference. And I'm going to turn the light off in the garage. Okay, now I do just have one little light up there on in the garage, but it's a lot darker in here, so you can get a better visual on what this looks like. Let's just do the 9-volt battery here again real quick, so you can see the difference. There it is in the dark. It is still pretty bright, even just for the 9 volts. But let's go take a look. I have one hooked up here. I'm clipped into the car battery here with some alligator clips, and let's just power this one on. And there it is. I mean, wow, big difference. You can see everything now. Pretty amazing how bright that is for how small it is. Just a real small, lightweight LED bar. I mean, that's as bright as some of these work lights that I use, if not brighter. Pretty amazing how bright those are. Well, that's pretty much it. This was just a quick product review video. Really not a whole lot to these. They're fairly simple. Tested them all. They all work. And this is for a pack of 5. Check that out. 5 come in this box. They're very inexpensive. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick these up as well. But I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.